This video will show you how to install the SSE component for IBM Intelligent Video Analytics 3.0. SSE stands for Smart Surveillance Engine, and this is a framework for capturing events that are observed by cameras. It's designed to process streams of live or recorded video footage and generate metadata information about the activities that occur in the field of view of a camera. The SSE is bundled as a Docker container that contains one or more engines, and each engine consumes a video stream, runs it through a sequence of plugins, and produces metadata. To get started, you'll need a machine with Red Hat Enterprise Linux Server 7.5 or newer, and the SSE installation archive. Please note that there are different installation archives for Power and x86 servers. First, you're going to unzip the SSE archive. You can use the root folder as the destination, and the contents of the archive will go into the IVA home folder. This takes just a few seconds. Now switch to the IVA home/SSE folder and run the SSE config script. And there are likely two parameters that you'll want to pass to the script. num_SSE is the number of SSE instances, and most of the time you'll want just one instance, as an instance can process multiple video streams in parallel. And DLE-IP is the IP address of the DLE server if you've installed one. Once the script is done, it returns in the console a list of the properties that have been set. Next, run the start script with the load parameter to load the Docker image for the SSE. Hit the spacebar several times to scroll through the license and type yes to accept. And the script will take a few seconds to run. The last line on the console should say creating SSE done, and if you do a docker ps in your list of containers, you should see that the SSE container is up and running. Now, in order for the SSE to access the mills, you'll need to configure the mills credentials. Run the store-credential script with three parameters. First, the mills hostname, then the user ID, and the password. Once the script is done, the console should say mills information saved, and for the changes to take effect, run the restart script to restart the SSE. For RTSP support, you'll need to download an additional library. Run wget with the parameters I'm showing on my screen. Then untar the archive and run the two Docker commands that I'm showing on my screen. And finally, run the restart script again. The SSE installation is now complete, and to verify it, you can run the run-check script. In my case, I configured a single SSE instance, so I see that there's one instance running on port 60,000. And then for port 59,999, there's a message that says failed to start COM services for client, which is normal. There is no instance running on that port. And since this is a brand new installation, there are no engines configured on the SSE instance. For help about IVA, please check out our Developer Works community by Googling IBM Intelligent Video Analytics Developer Works. And the first link will take you to the community. There you will find announcements, important bookmarks, as well as forums, more bookmarks, and wiki posts. Thank you for using IVA.